Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
A buzzing sound from your microwave usually means the magnetron is heating your food. This is normal. But if the buzzing gets louder, changes suddenly, or you see sparks or smoke, stop using it and get it checked. Otherwise, regular buzzing alone isn't a safety concern.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.